Hey guys, what is going up? It is Mr. Crayfish, and welcome back to another live stream. Welcome back to another live stream. Oh my god, I like every time I start my live stream off, it always just feels awkward because I just start randomly talking from being quiet. Like I wasn't talking. Like I woke up and then I'm just doing stuff. I'm actually home alone at the moment, so I haven't been able to talk to anybody. So it's just like going from silent to talking just like feels a little bit weird. But yeah, we're doing some device development today. I'm just getting some music on here because I forgot to get it on before the actual live stream started. I apologize if you can hear the bird outside. You probably can. Hey, I think he's trying to say something to me. If you guys know what he's trying to say with me, let me know. Is that good? Is that all playing? Alright, we're good. We're Gucci. Is that playing? The music's playing? It's not too loud? It's not too quiet? It's probably, it's the right audio levels. But we're going to be working on, let me just make sure we're all good here in terms of the layout. Alright. So we're going to be working on the actual printer, and we're also going to be working on the router today. Now, I kind of discovered something that I don't know what is wrong, but I'm not like super duper good at OpenGL or whatever, but when I actually load this mod up using shaders, and you know how you can put the pictures in the item frames, well, they don't even render when shaders are enabled, like, which is a pretty big problem because like people are gonna use shaders, and if it doesn't render when the shader's happening, then it's gonna be annoying. So what I'm thinking about my god, hold up. I'm gonna hold it. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second, guys. This bird outside just keeps squawking 24/7. I'll be back in 2 seconds. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Give me a sec. If people are here, let them know that I'm just outside. Let them know that I'm outside. I need to create like a little BRB scene in OBS. I'll be back in a sec, guys. That. Whoops. Hold up. Alright, we're back. I don't know what was up with my bird. I don't know what was up with my bird. It was literally making a racket outside. I see you guys in the chat here. I haven't actually looked at the chat. Welcome everybody. Welcome to the live stream. I see you guys. Who we got in the chat right here? We got Kendall. We got Alex, good Graded Warrior, Anish, Spaded Dreamer, Spade Dreamer. Oh my god, you need like capitals in your username. We got Redstone Master, welcome to the live stream. Zoltron, Fabi50, welcome everybody to the live stream. Ugh, my bird was like saying something weird. I went out there, right? Went out there just to cover him up a little bit, just so he couldn't, because he can like see me through my window, and if he sees me, then he starts like going off a little bit. But like when I covered it up, he started like saying weird stuff like that I never heard, and he's like, I don't know, it just sounded weird. It sounds like somebody was talking. Like, I mean, we teach him stuff like from time to time, like just keep repeating certain words, but he said something different. I was like, what? Is it like possessed or something? Is this bird possessed? What the flip? I really like the lighting today on my webcam. I've got my LEDs on, but then I've also got sunlight coming. Why is there so many sounds? Somebody just wants to ruin my live stream. There's like a grinder going off next door now. Oh my god. Let's take a moment to recognize Mr. Crayfish's majestic beard. just a second. Just a second. Not a minute, not an hour. Should just have a dedicated 1 hour beard stream or something like that. So you guys can, you know... Okay, maybe that was a little... Not that way! Not that way. Not that way. I love you. This is my first time to be said in a video. Oh, that's sick, dude. Thanks for coming along, though. Thanks for coming along. Hopefully you enjoyed the live stream. And if you guys are excited for this live stream today, because we're going to be working on the printer and we're going to be working on the router in the last half of this video, or live stream, sorry, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right in half. Just snap it. Snap it right now, guys. And as well, if you guys want to get a shout out in this live stream today, make sure you go over to my Twitter. Link is in the description below, and retweet my latest tweet. You should be able to find it there. It says, you know, it's basically posting this live stream on my Twitter. Retweet that latest one. And then I'll be shouting your name out at the end of this live stream today. So a ton of people ask for shout outs. If you want to shout out, do this. And as well, go follow me on there as well. Now, something else that's brand new, I just want to like, because maybe some of you guys have missed the previous live streams. Maybe you guys have missed the previous live streams. Well, we've got a new thing now that we actually do, and it's called Cheese Hype. It's called Cheese Hype, guys. It's called Cheese Hype, alright? It's pretty simple. It's pretty simple, if you ask me. All you've got to do is post hashtag Cheese Hype and then include a bunch of cheese emojis with it. Okay, we're gonna test this out right now. We're gonna test this out right now. So everybody right now, post cheese emojis, post hashtag Cheese Hype. Let's do it. Let's do it right now. Woo! It's gonna kick this live stream off. It's gonna kick this live stream off. It's getting hot in here. Man's not hot though. I'm not taking off my jacket. Man's not hot. But it's a new thing that we do. Cheese Hype, everybody. Cheese Hype. If you guys don't know, cheese is like my favorite food. Like, seriously, I live off that stuff. Not really, but I could if I wanted to. Good if I wanted to. I remember it was a couple of days ago we did a cheese hype and I literally ran out to the kitchen. Almost fell over in the hallway. I like literally almost killed myself in the hallway trying to get that cheese. So I'd appreciate if we could get some mad cheese hype in here. And literally the chat went crazy. Thank you guys. Thanks for the amazing cheese hype. Alright. So I want to, I'm trying to address a couple of things before we actually do start this live stream today, because I feel like I need to say a bunch of this stuff. One thing that I dislike about my live streams is that I'm not consistent with my time, and I'm sure you guys know that. And you're probably like, it's kind of a bit disappointing that it's not always at this one time. I really want to make it like I always like stream at this one particular time, so you guys know when I'm actually going live. You don't even have to like, you know, have post notifications on. You'll know I'm going live at this point every single time. So I want to try and get like, I want to try and be very consistent with these live streams on my second channel. So I'm thinking about like, this one was kind of late, but I want to start at 10:30 AM my time. So 10:30 AM my time. I'm not sure what that translates to your time, but it's pretty much, and basically turn your clock back an hour right now, and that will be the time that your the live stream actually starts. So that's what I'm going to be trying to improve next week with my live streams, just to make them a lot more consistent, especially now that Christmas is coming up and everything. So I actually want to try and get into a bit more of a schedule. Now the problem is, now that I think about it, when I actually go back to university, we got a little bit of a problem, because usually like 10 AM is like, there could be like a class on that I need to go, but I'm part-time, so it might be a little bit different. But I'll let you know if any like schedule updates, but that's like next year, so don't worry, that's not for a while. That's not for a couple, 3 months or something like that. So for me, it'd be 4 PM. I'm okay with that. Mr. Crayfish, are you single? Because I'm pretty desperate. Yeah, I'm single. I'm like, I don't know. Like, my kind of dating life is on a bit of a halt at the moment. I just, like, honestly can't be bothered at this point in time. I just don't feel like I'm ready to do anything at the moment. I'd be watching every single stream, but at the moment I'm homeless, so I don't have an easy access to internet. Damn, dude. That, like, literally, that hurt me. That hurt me. I really hope everything gets better, dude. Hopefully it's not too bad for you. Hopefully you can get back on your feet. Or hopefully your family, I'm assuming it's a family, you can get back on your feet. I couldn't even imagine what it would be like. Me and my crush has a boyfriend. Mr. Steal Your Girl. Nah, I'm joking, dude. You have to steal her back. You have to steal her back. Mr. Stole Your Girl back. Mr. Stole Your Girl back. Livestream mods needed. What? I'm lagging. I probably just refreshed the live stream because there's nothing on my side. I haven't dropped any frames or anything. So probably lower the quality or something like that if you're lagging, guys. Go to 720p. Who watches it in 240p? Who watches in 240p? Real people watching 240p. It's best quality, guys. It's 4K quality. 240p is like 4K quality, okay, guys? When it was a Stone Age. Alright, so where we are at now, give you guys some context of, you know, what's going on here. So let's just go back to this. Boom. The tingle skier. Alright. See you go in the park. Smoke trees. I guess you could say that quality was in the Stone Age. 144p squad. Yeah, where's 144p squad? Watching in 420p. 420p, dude. That doesn't even exist. It doesn't even exist. What are you trying to say here? How do you get to 420p? Is there a secret method to getting the 420p option? Oh god. Alright. So one thing that I'm doing is before, right? We would put the item into the item frame here, then it would display it. But however, what I'm going to do now is actually revert it back to the old option where we actually had a block. Because the problem is that when I was rendering it with shaders, right? Something to do with entity rendering would cause it not to render. I'm not sure what the problem is. It's probably something very, very simple. And if I find the problem in the future, I might revert back to this. But for now, I'm going to go with the block option because I can get like the render working in the printer, right? The actual picture of rendering it in the printer. But when I render it in an item frame, it's completely different. So we're gonna just go back to the block option, and I still want to enable the whole rotation thing as well because I like that about item frames, being able to rotate it. So with the actual block thing, you're going to be able to rotate it too. So that's going to be a good thing about that. Give me 2 secs. I'm going to close my back door. Ugh, some guy was like grinding out there. Oh god. Yeet! Yeet for Cray. That's what I should do when we do the cheese hype. Can we get a cheese hype? Yeet! Don't even care. What is this? Don't even care. Yeet! Yeet! This drink empty. Yeet! This is a Christian channel, can everybody? This Christian channel. We don't swear. We don't swear. We don't talk about sinful things. We don't sin. Read the quote 22:17. Thy said shall not sin in Crayfish's live streams. He said it. Jesus said it himself. Thy shall not sin in Crayfish's live streams. True quote. It's a true quote. Go read it up. Go read it up. Cheese hype. I think what? No, we're not doing cheese hype right now. What the flip? Who said you could host your own cheese hype in the chat? See your man in the puck. Smoke cheese. Oh god. Smoke cheese. See your girl in the puck. That girl smokes cheese. Oh god. Alright. So I'm kind of like halfway done with adding this block thing because I already started it off. I'm just trying to make it actually work. I think there was an error when it actually started up. Yeah, basically we didn't have like a block state or anything like that, so we got to add that in. Yeah, alright. So we're going to go over to our block states here and let's quickly add one in. You're distracting me from finishing the touches on Forger. What? Lol, what? What is that? I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. That girl is an Oculus. What? That girl is an Oculus Rift. Thou shall not make own cheese hype. Who was that? Who was that? Graded warrior. Thou shall not make own cheese hype. That was a true... What was his name? Ben said that. Read it. Quote, I don't know, 1569. Read it in the book. He said that. By the way, Redstone Master, new Redstone Master is Kendall. What the... Hey, can't say that around this. Can't say that around this live stream, mate. There's a bit of a problem here because I don't want to register this block render. Like I don't want to register it. I just want it to be a blank block. Is it possible to do that? Can I just get rid of this render here? Not do anything about it, and then I can still just use a tile entity. Alright, let's see if we can... I just want to be able to see this. Because right now it's not even like going into the tab. I love redstone, yeah, it's good. Hey Cray, someone made a working router in Discord. What? Did they? Where? Where's the working router? I know someone's like, you know, doing it. Okay. It's kind of like, it's not like, I'm not sure if it's working. I mean, yeah. I'll be checking tile entity data using position of the device and the router. I added the router's connection. Okay. Interesting. See how it goes. Interesting. Sorry, I was pretty loud there. RIP headphone users. RIP headphone users. Hey yo Craze, how's it going? Sergeant Slappy, what the? What is up? I respect you. I respect you, Sergeant Slappy. How you doing? I'm doing good. I'm actually doing good today. I'm actually doing pretty good. How's this? I got, so yesterday, was it yesterday? No, it's Saturday. Thursday. I went to the hospital because I had a checkup on my wrist. If you guys don't know, I broke my wrist. I broke my wrist and I'm like recovering it right now. Like you guys know, I've been flexing on y'all. I flexed on pretty much everybody. Everybody was just like, "What the flip, Crayfish? Why are you flexing on all of us, like, seriously, can you just stop it right now? So yeah, I flexed on y'all, and now, like, I'm up to a stage where I've got to, like, strengthen my hand again, or basically my hand again, because pretty much right now, because we did, like, a measurement thing when I was at the hospital of, like, my actual strength. I don't know how how it's determined, but, like, this is, like, 20 kilos of, I don't know, grip, and then, like, this one was only 10, which is my left arm. So, got a fair ways to, you know, fix it up. Look at that flick of the wrist. I mean, look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of that wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. I've been watching a couple of Twitch streamers lately, and, like, one thing, like, I noticed about Twitch is that there's, like, an option to, like, clip things, which, like, is pretty damn awesome, because, like, it allows you to kind of, like, create highlights about live streams. And that's one thing about YouTube that doesn't have, like, you can't easily clip it. Like, I'd like to have, like, highlight reels of, like, the best parts of my live streams, because, like, it's not, like, because usually the clip thing, anybody can do it, right? Or you guys can do it, and it really, like, helps out with the whole entire, like, putting together a montage, instead of myself spending an hour, or hours going through footage. You literally do it as the live stream's going. So it's pretty damn cool that that can actually, you know, you can do that, because if you do it on YouTube, you have to record it, and that's, like, a bit of a hassle. So that'd be cool if that was on YouTube. Alright, so let's set it to this. Do we actually have it? Alright, we do. Cool. What happens if we place it down? Okay, good. Alright, so it looks like we didn't have to register it. I'm just making sure it didn't, like, spaz out when we actually... Okay, look, that's good. Alright, I'm happy with that. Because I don't want it to even look for anything in the actual... in the assets here, because I just want it to be a blank model. I don't want anything more than that. I just want it to be a blank model. So there we go. I'm happy about that. Oh, now that I think about that, we actually do need one. No, why? Alright, maybe I can just register the item. I might be able to just register the item. That's all I need. I don't want to register the block, I just want to register the item render. So we'll go to device blocks here. Okay. Register render. No! Why? I don't want to register, yeah, I just want to register the item. I don't want to register anything special. But it's when I put this back in that it actually, you know, starts going funny. I might just have to have a blank. Might just have to have a blank. Get item from block. Yeah. Don't look like we're gonna be able to do it. Alright, whatever. And then the other way would be, like, if we actually had an item for the actual printed paper instead. Like, there'd be the block version and then an item version. However, we can do that kind of in one go. Whoops, nope. Hashtag cheese hype party. It's not, what the... No, what is it? No, can't just set up a cheese hype yourself, alright? Can't just set up a cheese hype yourself. Who else? Who we got? What would you guys say? No, we're not, no cheese hype party. No cheese hype party. It's spelled cheese. No chess hype. No chess hype, everybody. We can't have any chess hype right now. But yeah, I didn't even finish my story off with this. But basically, got this from the hospital. It's like, it's kind of like, it's not like Play-Doh. It's kind of like just a thing like you just grab and squish together, and it's like quite hard to actually do it. But that's like how I've got to strengthen my hand back up. So usually like just while I'm at the computer, it's actually kind of good because I fidget quite a lot. So I usually just grab this and then just start like squishing it together. Ooh, it's actually quite hard to do. My right hand can just do it so quickly. My left hand's like, oh yeah, I'll take a second question that. Maybe I won't squeeze that as hard with my left hand. You know? Fidgeting is a trait of autism. What the? I've always kind of fidgeted. I think the only thing like is probably I don't know. If I had autism, I would have been diagnosed already. Fidgeting is a trust of being a normal human being. I mean, like, I don't like. I'm not okay. I don't fidget because like. I don't fidget because like. I need a distraction. I fidget because I'm like always anxious. If you guys don't know, I have anxiety, so like those kind of I don't know. They're just like I've always got to kind of be doing something. So that's kind of the reason why, like, you know, it's kind of good, like, you know, anxiety and that type of stuff. Got to deal with it in some sort of way. How to break reality: multiply the width and height by the length together, then divide the width squared. That doesn't seem right. What? I fidget because I have anxiety. Typically, I play with my hoodie strings or my headphone strings. Hashtag microwave cheese. But I'm not denying, you know. I mean, I don't have autism, but like obviously, fidgeting is a trait of autism, or some autisms. I don't think all types of them, because there's a lot of different types of autism, but obviously not all of them would be fidgeting. I did actually watch this series on Netflix. I watched this series on Netflix, and I suggest you guys watch it. It's actually a good series. Like, it's a comedy series, but it's like it's kind of like based on there's a kid in the family that has autism. Well, he's actually a teenager. He's 18. He's 18 and he has autism. But it's a funny series. There's a lot of twists to it. It was fun. I literally watched the whole thing in a day. It was that good. Printed paper. Alright. So if we run that now, it's going to spit out an error. It's going to spit out an error right now. Hold up. Why do I keep moving that thing? What's the name? It's called atypical. Like one word. Just like A and typical in one word. Yeah, that's right. Spade Dreamer. Atypical kind of represents autism strangely. A good doctor is a much better representation. Ah, okay. Yeah, like, I know, like, when I watched it, I'm like, this is not, like, a proper representation of autism, but it, like, it's a kind of. But, like, it was good. Monster cheese, please. What? When are you going to do gun mod? Soon. I want to like do some more work on it because I was working on it and then I just stopped mainly because I was working on the you know, I was working on the device mod. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create like a separate item here. Because I want to I want to like hold up. Perfect. Yeah, I can't do that. Alright. Because I don't want to register the model for the block. Because then it will just be a blank block. Atypical is still funny though. Like it's a comedy series, so it's a comedy series based on a kid in the family that has autism. It's not like laughing about the autism, it's like all the drama that happens within the family. And there's sad moments too. There's sad moments too. I think it's a comedy. It's not a comedy. Oh god. No. Pretty 100% I read it was a comedy. It's just a very weird take on it and made the main character out to be defined by their disability. That's why I like The Good Doctor. It shows that he has a disability but he turns it to a positive. Okay. Is it on Netflix? If it is, I'll check it out. I'll see what it's like. I finally catch one of these streams with the new time, but the bad thing is that I'm ill and cannot sleep. Oh damn, dude. Well, it's great that you've came along, but damn, doesn't sound good. Hopefully you get better soon, dude. Hopefully it's nothing that lasts for too long, and hopefully you can get to sleep as well. But for the meantime, hopefully I can entertain you. Hopefully I can put a bit of a smile on your face. That's what they say. Hopefully I can put a bit of a smile on your face. Hashtag cheese for life. Cray, do you know the cheese mod on CurseForge? Yep, I think I've got it installed. I think I actually got it installed on my main world. Alright, so I'm going to register. I don't want to register the model. Why do I got to register it? Like, seriously, I don't need... Like, I'm going to be giving it a blank model. I don't want to just put in blank. That's why I don't want to register it. Let's see if I can. So if I have a block, right? All right. Let's try this. Item block. Equals new item block. Alright. This one's just gonna be register block. Register. Register block without item. We're not going to have that. We're going to go to our item. Public static item. Printed paper. Printed paper. I just want to change this around. I don't know what to call it. Printed paper. Maybe just the same. We'll call this block. Just so it doesn't get conflicted with the item. And I was doing this method instead so I can actually have finals, because that was one thing that wasn't able to do before. I really need to change the whoops, hold up. Flash drive. Let's make sure that we're not doing anything weird, because I've refactored my variables a couple of times and they've like gone weird. That's right. Exclude. All right. So I'll go to chat here. Stayed up waiting for you to start streaming 2:32 AM right now, and I've been awake since 4 AM. Running around on 5 hours of sleep on top of that. Worth it? Totally. Damn, dude. That's dedication. That's dedication. I definitely haven't actually had good sleep recently, because I keep going to bed late, but then I've got to get up early, so I need to get into the habit of actually going to bed. So I'll have to try and sort that out, see if I can get it fixed. We'll do item printed paper, but it's kind of annoying because I go to, like, it's really like I need to get up early to live stream, but then I'm like super duper tired and it's really, really bad. Hey Cray, I'm making a working phone, can you check it out in Discord? Yeah, I've seen it, dude. I've seen the pictures. I've seen it. Cray, may I be a moderator, please? I'll show up every stream and like each one. I don't usually give out moderator unless it's like a very, I don't know. So you got to kind of like, it's hard how I pick my moderators, because I don't just go, you know, I'm going to choose you. It's kind of a lengthy process. Like, the person that's a moderator now has been a fan of me for years. They follow me on Twitter. They follow me on probably Facebook as well. They're always, you know, contributing. They've helped out with things. I was going to say hi to Tyrell Plays as well. I saw you there, Tyrell. Welcome to the stream. But yeah, I don't really just hand out moderator that easy. Will there be a download for this mod when it's finished? Of course. I'm going to release one soon. I want to get one released before Christmas so you guys can start playing around with it. We all just discussed this. You can, okay, we've already asked that. Stay healthy, Cray. Cheers, dude. Cheers to the cheers, dude. I wonder if I can get away with this, right? Item block, and then do like device blocks dot printed paper, right? Just do that. Oh, then I can do set unlocalized name, just printed paper, set registry name. Smoke trees, see your gut in the park. That girl is a uckers. And the thing goes quack, quack, quack. Your man be ducking. Alright, there we go. I love this mod. No problem, love being here. Watching a cheesy boy at 2:40 AM on my TV eating popcorn. Dude, that sounds like the dream, I'm not gonna lie. That sounds like the dream. How are you guys... Okay, this will be interesting. How are you guys actually watching the live stream right now? Because some guy's eating a cheesy boy at 2:40 AM on his TV eating popcorn. So, how are you guys watching the live stream? Are some of you guys like, you know, hovering on the ceiling? Are you guys like sitting on your ceiling and got your phone on the floor? Are you guys like hovering in the air? Is there some like paranormal stuff happening? Oh, watching a cheesy boy, sorry. Watching. Same thing. It's interesting to like know how people are watching the live stream. It just sounds like weird. It's like I'm laying in my bed upside down. I got my feet up in the air. Sounds just like an interesting thing to ask. How do you make someone a mod? Like, yeah, no, I don't really. As I said before, I don't really hand out mods. Real easy. Oh no, how do you make someone a mod? Because me and my cousin want to make each other a moderator. You just hover over their name and add them as a moderator. This is the closest this is the cheesiest live stream ever. The host is cheesy, the viewers are cheesy, everything about it is cheesy. It'd be better if it was on pizza. Pineapple on pizza, guys? Yes or no? I am in the USA space station watching you on the Galaxy 8. Dude. Some guy's like, I'm out your window now. I'm out your window, crayfish. I can see you there, crayfish. I can see you in the park. Smoke trees. I'm watching on my computer while coding my mod. I'm levitating and nobody can come in because there is a black hole made of cheese and nobody dares to enter the vast unknown. I would. Without even a second thought, I would just go straight into that. It's probably like a cheesy wonderland. Cheesy wonderland on the other side. Something like that. So printed paper, we should now have that. And let's just go ahead and make sure it has a model. Printed paper. Alright. Let's go ahead. Let's load this up. This is the cheesiest live stream ever. Oh, yeah, I've already seen that. He just copy and pasted. He copy and pasted. Pineapple pizza, something immigrants from Greenland. I'm watching the stream in the middle of a fancy Italian restaurant. If that's true, dude. If that's true, then that's amazing. That is amazing. I commend you. I commend you. I can see you on the National Telescope of Space. I'm holding on a boat raft in the middle of the ocean holding my phone. How are you getting Wi-Fi out there? How is it possible? How are you getting signal? I'm eating a cheese bowl kickback in a recliner with my feet over the arm. That's right, Sergeant Slappy. I'm in my mum's basement. We all knew that, Alex. We all knew that. Cellular data. There ain't signal out in the middle of the ocean. Get rid of that. Alright, let's see what happens here. Ah! What the flip? That wasn't supposed to happen. That was not supposed to happen. If any of you guys know what's wrong with that, it'd be good to know. Pretty sure an item isn't supposed to be a flippin' giant block. I don't know, I'm just making a guess here. Just making a guess. It's not supposed to be that. Oh, hold up. I know why. I know why. I know why. Tile, entity, printer, smoke trees. Peace out, Cray. I gotta go to work. Be well. See you later, Sergeant Slappy. Why was 6 afraid of 7? There was like a joke. There was like a comeback for that joke. There was like a comeback for that joke. Inside the black hole, there is a cheese wonderland. Alright, I'm going. I'm going. Take me there. Take me there right now. Imagine that. There's a cheese land. Eat everything that's cheese. Cheese and cracker land. Like, The landscape's cheese. Houses are built out of crackers. That's how it should work. What do you guys think? Is that how you think it should work? Smoke trees. Why is that doing that? It is. Alright, so slight problem. We do actually got to register the block. Printed paper underscore block. Alright, so what happens now? Okay, first, do you have a black hole generator and a lifetime supply of cheese? Yeah, I don't think I do. I don't think I do. The Italian restaurant is called... What? The Italian restaurant is called Di Trap... I don't know how to say it. Their food is pretty grata, and I get it for free because I'm really good at manipulating people. You seriously get it for free? Seriously get it for free? I'll have that any day. But if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. And turn on those bell notifications as well so you get notified, you know, when we go live here. Alright, so it looks like that's worked. I'm just checking. Alright, so we still have an issue where it's loading up. It's not loading up the model, the variant, the block state variant, which is kind of annoying because I don't want it to. But anyway, that wasn't supposed to happen. All right, all right. Whoa! What the? Something tells me that's not supposed to happen. Something tells me that's not supposed to happen. Do you guys know if that's normal or not? What the flip? I know it's wrong. Don't worry. But it's like rendering the font. It's got like a bit of Chinese in there. It's got a bit of Japanese. What the fudge? Alright. Let's just ignore that. Let's ignore that. That didn't happen. That didn't happen. Alright. Cray. What happens if we chuck that down? Alright, that just does that. Cool. I don't want to add in the block. Printed. What does it say it needed? Oopsie. Block states, printed paper block. Is it possible just to like not include anything here? Or is that gonna crash? Make sure that it's actually block. Like, I can make it ignore it, potentially. But I don't know if that's possible. Greg is spamming in the Discord again. Oh my god. What the? Oh wow. This is what somebody was talking about with the phone thing. That looks pretty cool. Oh wow. I like it. I think it's pretty cool. Did that come up with an error? Alright, still came up with an error. Why do I gotta give it like a I gotta like I don't want it to register the actual block. The only way that I can avoid that is like completely write my own thing, but maybe it's better that I register the render. I think it might be a good idea to register something as well, just because like we get those particles coming from it, and I think that's going to be a thing always if we don't register an actual thing. So, oh no, we could do like maybe Minecraft. Oopsie, hold up. Let's do this. We could probably do this, right? Minecraft air. Do Minecraft air here. Let's see if that works. Cray, can you give me a shout out? It's almost my birthday and I'm going to be 9. My birthday is December 27th. Hi, Cray. Well, an early happy birthday to you. I'm not sure what your name is because your username doesn't show it, but happy early birthday to you. Hopefully you have a good Christmas. Hopefully you have a good birthday. It'd kind of suck having your birthday like, you know, near Christmas, but I'm sure it's gonna be a good time. Hopefully you have a good time. My name is Yasser. Yasser? Did I get it right? Let's make sure that it's actually registered. No, what the fliz? Minecraft block air. Can I not load that? Minecraft air. What? can't you just register the actual it as air? Let's have a look. Hold up. I'll be able to check. Minecraft block states. Okay, there isn't like air defined. Then how does Minecraft do it? Let's see if we can. Is there like a register? Block. What would it be? Event. Let's have a look. See if we can find something in the actual source code. Oh, we've already got it open. It would be Forge client event model registry event. Probably make it so it doesn't have break particles either. Is the mod you're king of? So what? Cray, when will the stream end? It's 1 hour mark. So pretty much probably 1 more hour. I always do 2-hour live streams. So maybe we just like, I don't want to, like, it feels hacky what I'm doing, and when it starts to feel hacky, I feel like I'm doing something bad. We'll just say can I literally just do this? Particle blocks. Just because. So let's just do this. So unnecessary. Cheese hype party. I always do 2-hour live stream. Cray 2017. Yeah, I mean, like, I try to aim for that. Or I mean, I always aim for that as like a minimum. Sometimes, like, special cases I can't, but like, it's either 2 hours or more. You've seen me, you guys have seen me do 3-hour live streams, 4-hour live streams. I've even done, like, my longest ever was like a 6-hour live stream, and that was during mod week. What do you guys think about the lighting right now? I love the lighting of my webcam right now because it's got my LEDs on, but then I got the window open. It gives like a nice effect to this. Did that get rid of errors? Alright, we didn't get a bunch of spam in the chat, so I like that. Still have a weird particle effect. Printed. Is there literally like a blank texture we can use? Oh, let's reload this again. Will you make a cheese mod including cheese dimension, cheese mobs, etc.? No, I won't. Wait, what? I remember when you said you were going to work on the printer and you proceeded to work on the text box for 2 hours. Oh my god. Yes, dude. I don't know. I was like, I'm just going to fix one thing up. 2-hour live stream later. Oh, whoops. Particle. I don't want a particle. Oh no, maybe I do. Maybe blocks. Wool. Particle. Is CDM model paper. See if that works. Yeet! I have bad news. The cheese and crackers are dead. What? How do you add mods in Minecraft Pocket Edition? I don't really know. I know there's like a block launcher, but it's like very unstable. Alright. I think we're due. I think we're due for a flippin' hashtag cheese hype right now, guys. So let's go ahead, get your cheese emojis ready, get your hashtag cheese hype ready. Let's post it in the chat right now. Boom, yeet. That was a bit weird, but yeet. Cheese hype. Cheese hype. We need like a sound for when that actually plays. I think that would be good. We need like an actual sound for when we do the cheese hype. Cheese hype, my dudes. Assad. What the flip, Kyle? Step the heck up, Kyle. That works. Without cheese and crackers, the world did not go around. True. Praise Lord Cray. True. Very true right now. And snap that like button as well. We should probably include that into a single thing, like cheese hype. And then also snap the like button as well, if you haven't already. That'd be a good idea. Alright, so we've done that, which is Gucci. Trying to think what to do here. So now I've got to go to tile entity. So when I actually print generate item, So the actual item, let's do this as NBT tag compound tag equals new NBT tag compound will be tag dot set tag print right to tag print, and do that instead. And then actually, how did I do that? Because basically what I just recently implemented is you can actually pick up your laptop now and keep the data in it, which is a problem that we've had for a while, but I finally fixed it up. And it seemed, yeah, a lot of you guys were complaining about it, but it's all good now. You won't be able to lose data anymore, which is really, really good. But I want to check out how I actually did that. So it's going to help me with this whole process. So was that the actual one? Yes. Set block entity tag. All right. So this will be block entity tag. All right. And then when we actually place it down, it should do everything fine. All we've got to do now is in printed paper, when we actually say read from NBT and write to NBT, we have to say if I print write to tag okay, here we can do this. Maybe it might be a better idea as well to where's iPrint? Right to tag. Give this. Wait, where's this been set at? We have to do tag dot set tag print right to tag print, and then we have to do block tag. Then we'll have a NBT. Let's call this item tag. Do that. So messy. How can we clean this up? It's a bit easier to read, I guess so. Could I get a list of these songs somewhere? Pretty much just search up No Copyright Sound 2016 playlist, because it's all the 2016 songs. I refuse to believe that Wi-Fi None Squad has disbanded. I'm still here. I'm still here, y'all. Now we're here. We're here. We're all big fans of the Wi-Fi low icon. Let me know if you're the fan of the Wi-Fi low icon, because we all know it is the best icon I have ever designed. It's minimal. It's beautiful, I should say. It's beautiful. So, I should just say that right now. Whoopsie, and we're supposed to do print equals iPrint dot load from tag compound dot get compound tag print, and then write to NBT. I like to just do this. I like having it at the top there. Write to NBT compound.set tag print iPrint.write to tag print. Catching. Alright, I'm just like getting annoyed with all of this stuff that's open. Let's test it out now. But the flip, Wi-Fi None reigns supreme. Wi-Fi logo is brutal. How do investors know you're making any money? What? Cash money. Why am I doing Logan Paul things? What? Or are you talking about somebody else? Pretty sure that ain't me. Pretty sure that ain't me. Alright, so that seems to be... and I can't tell. Can't tell because it's not rendering anything. Did we actually bind it? I don't think we did. Tile entity, printed paper. We're not even rendering it, I don't think. Yeah. Ouch. Ouch. What was it? Null pointer exception. Let's see if it actually loads it as well when we place it down. Hop out the 4 door with the 4-4, and there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Cray, can you sometimes go back to your old live stream? I'm not forcing you. What do you mean? Old live stream? Are you meaning like the old live stream time? I'ma slap the like button like a Big Mac on a stick. What? Mother trucker, that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. My favorite quote 2017. Gandhi said that. Gandhi said that. Print is null. Maybe I'm doing something wrong with the placing of the block here. I think it's something to do with my tags that I've set up. I said the B word. I didn't say the B word. I said mother trucker that hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. But ain't no bad word. It's alright for my Christian stream. Butt cheek. That's a sin. I gotta figure this problem out. File management in code sure is difficult. Defaced a Christian stream. This is a Christian server. Oh god. Alright, let's make sure that this doesn't crash. Is it gonna ignore it? I'm scared. And it crashed. We were too late. We were too late. Crayfish is the best streamer in YouTube. I don't think I am. I don't think I am. There's better people. How about the 4-door with the 4-4 and there's 1, 2, 3 and 4. If that is 44. Let him know. When I see him, I'm gonna spin his jaw. Cray, what's with the description that says donation link? What does it say? What do you mean? Alright, apparently it's null. Get sub block entity tag. Alright. So when I actually generate... Okay, hold up. I know why. We actually haven't got an updated paper tag, so we're gonna do another one. Kachinga. So that should have one. I'll double check. Tile enter print. Still null. What? Alright. Let's make sure it's actually getting called. Let's continue. Let's get rid of that. Alright, so it does that. It's not null. Tile entity right to MBT. So it's just a that one. So it's just a copy of it. So an MBT tag is just a copy of this one. Okay, hold up. Maybe... we're gonna say if print I mean, how'd they get past that anyway? I don't know. Gotta go, Cray. It was cool seeing the stream. Stay healthy and yeet regularly. That's all good, dude. See you later, Spade Dreamer. Hope you enjoyed. Cray, I thought you were gonna upload on your main channel. Yeah, one's coming out tonight. One is coming out tonight. 100%. I'm saying that right now. 100% main channel tonight. We're gonna be kicking it off again. It's Christmas time. We're going to be getting this going back up. Let's just see if that's being called as well. Alright. Oh, got called. I like the look of that. And then we should be able to do this now. Don't crash on me. It crashed on me, sick. Why? Null pointer exception. Oh, I think I know why. It's not synchronized on the client. Alright, we forgot to add in where is it? Tile entity laptop. Need this stuff. Modify it a little bit. We'll say return that should be good. Hotasni. He's got a pumpy. What version of Minecraft is this for? I'm currently using 1.11.2. You can see it up in the top left of the corner here. I'm only using that because that's when I actually first started developing this device mod on that version. So I haven't really like switched over yet, just because updating can be a little bit of a hassle. How much longer is the stream going for? Another half an hour. Why not putting comments on your code? I don't put it in. I put comments in the API package, but I haven't put comments in the kind of other stuff because there's a little bit too much stuff. I just realized this started an hour ago. Oh, it's all good, dude. I mean, as long as you're here, you've joined in now. That's all that matters. Would you rather have infinite cheese or infinite crackers? It's a difficult one. I think in the long run, I'd rather have infinite crackers. Mainly because I can eat cheese, but like eating cheese on its alone forever. Oh my god, I keep opening up that same word. Eating cheese alone forever would be worse than eating crackers. So I need crackers. So you got some. Found a cracker. I found a cracker. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I keep opening up the same damn world. Maybe it's good if we add like a little if. Do this. Because then it won't crash. Now we should be able to open up our world. Far out. No. They just went all over the floor. And all the crumbs. Damn it. Well, the crackers are fine. I'll eat the rest of them. But there's all crumbs all over the floor. This is a sad moment. This is a sad moment in life, guys. Alright, so we need to make it so it updates. Make it so it updates. Did any of those get called? Oh, whoops. This. Hot Asney. Rip crackers. Now do you wish you had cheese? Will it crash? That's the question of the day. And that's the question every single day. I have to go, but I love the stream. See you later, Redstone Master. Thanks for joining. Nah, I just got my window open. I got my window open. It's natural light. I look lit. I look lit. I look lit up in this joint. Whoa, what is that? Can you guys see that? Alright, we need to sort this out. X, Y, and Z. Well, yeah. Why is that doing that? Why? Alright, hold up. So, we're gonna go to... Where was it that did the rendering for that here? Hashtag glitch. Does that do it on the printer? Alright, it doesn't do it there. Don't think we need to do anything like color. Let's see what happens. Let's do this. Alright, See, this is the issues that I don't know what's wrong because, like, I can see the colors are there. It rendered correctly there for a second. Like, what's wrong? What's causing that? Is my question. Hold up. Aha! I had a notification on my phone for what? Memories on Facebook. Great. Nobody cares about my memories. I didn't have a life. I didn't have a life. You fixed it. I did. I did something. You're proud of me, guys? You're proud of me? And then we've got to... translate. I mean, that's good so far. That's good so far. Can we cut this out? Oop. Yeah, hold up. We gotta fix that up. We can just go printer renderer. Still being reloaded there. I know why. It's because we didn't add the actual method to actually rotate the block and place it down. We have to update this here. I'm proud of you, Cray. Oh, I'm not gonna say that. Which would be your favorite dimension? The cheese dimension or the cracker dimension? I don't know. Are you trying to create a mod here? You trying to create a mod here? You trying to get ideas from me? I guess why I thought you got a light was because you used to stream at night, for which was normal for me, and for you the window is dark. Yeah, pretty much. Gotta get that Discord. Gotta get that Discord showing. Discord partner. Whoa. That's not supposed to happen. And they have to go 0.50, 0.5. Kachinga. I am pro at programming. Ugh. I think we need plus 180. There we go. Fix up that issue. There we go. Hashtag super chat. That wasn't a super chat. They got a dot right. Cray, can you do more vlogs, please? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. I've never really been a big vlog fan. Like, I've tried to add a couple of times. I'm just like, I don't like this whole, like, I don't know. I don't want to, like, do stuff for the videos. Like, I dislike that about vlogs. I don't want to do stuff for the videos. Like, I don't want to put myself out of the way just to create entertainment. I like it. Alright, let's test something else out. Oh, you haven't got any pictures. Damn it. Let's just print that out and then let's go ahead. Get some shears. Oh yeah, we need to fix up this, by the way. Shears, okay. Crafting. Data. Why did I set it as that? Data would have been... Where does that come from? Pixels. Okay. technique, we have to do this. Reverse engineer, not really. Block tag. If block tag doesn't have print. Print tag equals so the print tag should contain, oh, we need to get the data, whoops. MB tag data equals print tag dot get compound tag data. Alright, there we go. Ching. So we should now. Oops. I think we still need to do that method of where is it? There we go. Except it's not cutting it out. It's not cutting it out. Why you do this? All right. Let's see what happens when actually rendering. Now let's go to Pixel Painter. So it doesn't even have it. Whoopsie here. We're going to check what happens when we actually do this. Oops. So we should have tag Okay, it definitely has it. I think it's when it places it down that it doesn't save it. So when we place it down... Yeah, that's right. Alright. Because when we... Okay, so when we... It's here when you read it from the tag. Load from tag. So we need to do maybe here we go. This is where we can make sure it saves it. So private boolean cut. Whoops, tag. Oopsie, cut equals tag get boolean cut. I'll only do this if cut. Just a bit of a mem. Oh, you guys can't see this. What the flip? Who didn't say that? Who did not say that? Cray, are you making your own item frame from scratch because you can't use the item frame map thing that makes it full block? Is the stream almost over? Yeah, it almost is, unfortunately. Got 6 minutes left, or something like that. 6 minutes left. Someone keeps deleting your messages. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there, dude. Don't know what's going on there, dude. Alright, so... let's do another test print. Alright. Why hasn't that got its name? Alright, that should have an extra tag on it now. Kaboom! Alright, there we go. We didn't test like... okay. We didn't test it out first by like... alright, do this. Print. I want to make sure that it is actually like not just cutting all the time. Cray, if you prefer crackers over cheese, then would it be your favorite dimension, the cheese dimension or the cracker dimension? Probably cracker dimension. You heard it first here. TMZ, Crayfish likes crackers more than cheese. You heard it first. Alright, so there we go. That works. Cool. There are some extra things that I'm going to do. Obviously, we're going to fix up hitboxes, but I want to make it so you can only put it against a wall. Has to be up against a wall. It can't just be sitting in the air like this. And then we've also got to make it so you can actually rotate it as well. So that should be pretty simple to do. Say that now. It should just be like rotate. Whoops. Ready? Times partial ticks. Oops. Is that supposed to happen? That's supposed to happen? Anyone know what's going on here? Anyone? Can anybody use physics to explain what's going on here? Rick and Morty fans. Only Rick and Morty fans know. I'm clueless too, sheep. I'm clueless too. I'm not sure what's going on here. I know clearly what's going on. Alright, we need to change what one this is working on. Oops, wrong one again. See if we can fix this issue up. Oh, I think this might be it. Kind of. What? I'm trying to figure out what. Trying to figure out what axis. So I think this needs to be. Can't figure out where the rotation's happening. Oh, I see it now, I think. Like it's not happening. It's not happening at the center. Okay, that's good. Ugh. Alright, let's start this. I'm like just doing it completely wrong. Oops. So it renders there. What happens when we rotate this now? I want it to rotate in the center. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. Okay, wrong one. Wrong one. That's good. Please. Yes. Alright, cool. There we go. Fixed it up. So we should be able to just rotate however we like now. Rotate at 90. Goes around the wrong way. And that's good. Good regardless. I'm going Crayfish. See you next stream. See you later, dude. let's just end the stream here. Okay, what? Is music alright? I just joined. What are you currently doing, Cray? I'm working on, because previously printed paper would actually render in the item frames. However, I wanted to revert it to its old system where it actually has it as a block instead. I wish I still had the old code, but it's all good. Got it working now. And I was adding in, basically there, I wanted to add in like rotation. How cool would that be? Like you can just add like a blood mark on there. Add a bit of a black onto it. Like what is that? What the heck? Do I have that system implemented into here? Yes, I do. Cool. We're going to add the bounds real quickly. I don't think we're going to add a hitbox. We're not going to add a hitbox. We're just going to have the selection bounds. Alright, and then how do we do that? Get bounding box. Alright, let's reload the game up here. See you later, guys. Oh. If you guys have enjoyed this stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button right now. Let's get one last cheese hype for the end of this live stream before we end off. It's actually hashtag overtime live stream right now, so this is good news for you guys. It's good news for you guys. But bad news for me because I got to get off and start recording some videos. Okay, one more cheese hype. Yeah, let's do it. Yeet. Okay, we didn't update the bounds. Whoops. So, how far are we going to go in? 15. 0. How far back? 16. How high? 16. How far across? 16. Cheese hype! Hashtag cheese hype. And press that one too. Bruv, you're looking like a whole snack clammy slop all over that. But what the flip? Get that out of this Christian stream. Get that out of this Christian stream. We can't have that in here. This cheesy boy hyped his way into the heart. I'm blushing. Yeah, I bet. Oh my god. What is going on here? I don't. These are like. When did you guys join? What the flip? There we go. Cool. Let's print out something real quickly. Gimme! Alright, there we go. Just making sure. Oh my god. What is going on? Chat is weird. Chat is weird. What the flip is going in? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on in chat. I don't know what's going on in chat. Some people are saying things. Some people are saying things. They're saying tings. Things effect. They're saying tings. What is going on? Take it easy in the chat right now. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take action. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to take action. We forgot to add in, yeah, we need to get rid of the collision box. It's one thing we didn't get as well. I think it's like get collision. Alright, too late. Kachinga. I swear that was like a joint effort there. I swear that was a joint effort there. Congrats! I like how it's just an easy, simple 2-click method, and people spend their time coming into this. Like, I've been doing YouTube for ages. I know what this old crap is like. Like, people writing, hey, what's going on? Writing mean things and stuff like that. It literally, like, what was that? What was that? And it literally takes me 2 clicks to get rid of all your comments. So have fun just wasting your time writing crap, because it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I'm still gonna do these live streams. I'm still doing it. I enjoy them. So it looks like we got the selection working. We're gonna test out if I actually fixed up. I basically overrid this method here and return null. It should hopefully only, you know, return this. What? Why in the morning? What do you mean the live stream? What are you talking about? Are you talking about the live stream time? By the way, hello Cray. What up, Rarity? So I shouldn't have a collision box now. Alright, good. Because a collision box stopped it from being like placed when you're like right up against here. So now that we don't have it, then you can actually like boom, place it like that. Boom, the tingle, skia. One thing that I don't like is that you can't like place it here now. So it's like, can't like build like a proper wallpaper almost. I want to like fix that up so you can actually do that. But like it can't be a block then. When is the update coming? I'm going to be doing it soon. I want to get an update out for you guys. Get it before Christmas so you guys can play around with it. I'm tempted. I need to figure out how to do this. Because I'm tempted to put these on like a... I don't know, I'm still like, I'm not 100% with these at the moment. I want to make them like a little bit better. Don't know what I can do. Because I dislike that feature that I can't like place it there. Because this is a block. And I can't just, yeah, it has to be like an entity. And then the whole entity issue, I run into like the problem of not being able to do that with the item frame. I don't know, but I think I'm going to end off this live stream today, guys. So let's go ahead, let's do some shout outs right now. So if you haven't gone to Twitter, probably a little bit too late now, but we got a couple of people here. We got Tron XT who quoted it, but then let's go to the actual real retweets here. We got Joseph Falsam, Zoram, yeah, Mr. Butters, Codeboy, Tyrell, Duncan, Sergeant Slappy, Unapologetic Drew, Fabi50, and player TJE. Thank you guys for the retweets there over on Twitter. And if you guys enjoyed the stream today, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button, snap it right in half, and I will see you guys. I won't actually be live streaming tomorrow because I'm not going to be able to live stream at the designated time. But there's going to be videos out on my main channel, so make sure you look out for them. And I will see you guys later. Let me get to the stop button. Let me get to my stop button. I'll see you guys later.